I'm here in my kitchen at home, in my bubble, making lemon sour cream cake with West Gold butter. 110 grams of West Gold butter, using unsalted for baking, 1 cup of sugar. I'm going to cream these together. That's looking good. Next step, in goes 3 eggs. I'm going to zest it straight into the bowl. If you've got smaller lemons, just use 2. Let's give this a quick mix round. We are going to add into another bowl 1 cup of flour, measured it here, in it goes, and with that a teaspoon of baking powder. They're going to mix into our cake mixture we've got here, along with an extra tasty bit, 125 grams of sour cream. I'm going to fold this through. When you're folding a mixture, don't over mix. Ready to get into the tin. Spoon it through, spread it out a little, and into the oven and bake for 40 minutes. Time to make up the glaze. Got the lemon that we zested earlier. Let's juice this. Also, we're going to add a tablespoon of hot water and a 1/4 cup of sugar. Now it's ready to pour over. Now you do this while the cake is hot. Poke it with a skewer, and we're going to pour the glaze over. Oh, look at this. My tip here is do this with the cake in the tin. Some recipes say take it out of the tin first. I don't like that, because this way you don't lose any glaze, nothing drops onto the bench top. Here is my finished cake all ready for morning tea. Lemon sour cream cake with West Gold butter.